February. Now nobody could have recreated these forms in 3 days. We filed every single form. We've done a detailed analysis, compared the results with the provincial assembly seats, and I urge all candidates to do that, do the hard work. And it is indisputable that there was an assault of the most drastic nature on the election process on the 8th and the 9th of February. Now with this, I want the international media, the international observers to take our message to the world, to say that the people of Pakistan have been denied their voice yet again. And consequence of this is most serious for the country. Kindly see, had we been allowed our fair number of seats, the PTI clearly would have emerged as the only federal party in Pakistan. We would have had at least 14 seats in Karachi. We would have had seats in Balochistan. We would have had seats everywhere. And we would therefore be the federal party that we actually are. But what they've done by the rigging that was carried out, they've turned every party into a small regional party. So what we have now is the People's Party as just a Sindh party. We have the PMLN, which got no more than 20 seats. The fake seats given to them, their figure has gone beyond 70. But it is clear that by fracturing the mandate of the PTI, we have done damage to the federal project in Pakistan. अब मैं उर्दू में थोड़ा सा कहूँगा, देखिए हर हल्के में आपने ये देखना है कि जो सूबाई असेंबली